And the CBI raided 40 locations across Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi on Saturday morning, including the residence of senior Jammu and Kashmir IAS officer, in connection with an alleged illegal sale of gun licenses case. At least 8 former deputy commissioners are being investigated by the central agency.
CBI raids across Jammu and Kashmir in connection with alleged illegal sale of gun licenses. The searches were carried out at multiple locations, including residences of 2 IAS officers, Shahid Iqbal Chaudhary and Neeraj Kumar. Shahid Chaudhary is accused of issuing licenses during his tenure as district magistrate in 3 districts. The officer, who is currently Secretary Tribal Affairs Department in Jammu and Kashmir government, claims that no incriminating material has been found during searches at his premises. He said licenses issued during his tenure has been lowest by any district magistrate, but he adds that oversight or procedural indiscretion in a few cases cannot be ruled out. In a statement, the CBI said that they conducted searches at 40 locations, including 20 gun houses, in case related to arms license racket in Jammu and Kashmir. Investigators believe that since 2012, over 2 lakh gun licenses have been issued illegally from Jammu and Kashmir. The alleged racket was first unearthed by Rajasthan ATS in 2017 after they found criminals with licensed weapons which were issued allegedly by bureaucrats in Jammu and Kashmir. The ATS had also found that over 3,000 licenses were given allegedly in the name of army personnel based on fake documents. The BJP has welcomed the CBI raids.
जो पिछली रेजिम्स में लाइसेंस गन्स के लिए सप्लाई की गई थी, किसको दी गई थी, कहां दी गई थी, किस पर्पस के लिए दी गई थी, इसकी तह तक जाना चाहिए कि ये जो गन की जो लाइसेंस दी है, ये गन कहां इन्होंने दिए और देश के किस कोने और जम्मू कश्मीर के किन लोगों को इन गन दी, इसका सारा काला चिट्ठा जो है वो खुल के सामने आ जाए.
It's believed to be India's biggest gun license racket. CBI says during the investigation, a nexus between arms dealers and district magistrates have been found were issuing illegal arms license since 2012 in Jammu and Kashmir. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.